What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I really do appreciate it. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Kirk Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to build businesses online. So if you too want to learn exactly how you can build a business online for yourself, then make sure you get subscribed to my channel so you can learn directly from me. I'm always uploading a lot of content with a lot of value to teach you exactly how to do it. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about creating a business online that you can use to make passive income in 2019. And that business is eBay dropshipping. So if you want to learn exactly how you can create passive income in 2019 with an eBay dropshipping business, then make sure you watch this entire video. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying on this video. I really do appreciate it. In this segment, I'm going to be talking about how you can actually create passive income from an eBay dropshipping business in 2019. I'm going to be breaking it down into 3 different segments. I'm going to be talking about what eBay dropshipping is for you guys who are total newbies to the term and the concept. Then I'm going to be talking about why you should consider starting an eBay dropshipping business. Then I'm going to be giving you an overview of what you should do and how to go about actually starting that eBay dropshipping business. So I'm not going to be going through a lot of step-by-step details to show you exactly how to run your eBay dropshipping business. But if you want that kind of detail, if you check the link in the description, there is going to be a course and a free video to give you more information about eBay dropshipping business. The dropshipping course is the best eBay dropshipping course you can find on the market right now as it is in 2018 going into 2019. Alright, so with that said, let's dive into what eBay dropshipping is. Okay guys, so before I explain exactly what eBay dropshipping is and how you can actually build up an eBay dropshipping business to start making passive income for yourself, I have to take some time, of course, to point out that eBay dropshipping is not the only way to get into e-commerce. It's one way of getting into e-commerce, and it's my recommended way to get into e-commerce for people who don't have a lot of money to invest. Of course, there is Shopify dropshipping and Amazon FBA, but it does require you to have more money to spend on getting inventory in the case of Amazon FBA, or to spend on marketing in the case of Shopify dropshipping. But with eBay dropshipping, you don't have to worry too much about getting inventory or spending money on marketing, and that is why it's recommended to start with eBay dropshipping if you have less than $2,000 to invest in your e-commerce business. So I just wanted to give you guys that bit of information before I dive into the rest of this video's detail to explain exactly how you can build an eBay business and start making passive income in 2019. So eBay dropshipping is a business model where you basically list products on your eBay store that is available from different suppliers. When a customer actually buys a product from you, then you go to your supplier, you pay your supplier for that product and have them ship it directly to your customer. When your customer receives your product, the difference as it relates to the money with what you will pay your supplier and pay your fees to sell on eBay is your profit. And that is essentially how eBay dropshipping works. So you don't have to buy any inventory and you don't have to spend money on marketing because eBay sends you traffic. So you'll have to optimize your listings to get traffic. And that is essentially how eBay dropshipping works. Alright, so why should you consider eBay dropshipping right now to start making passive income going into 2019? So I'm going to be giving you 4 reasons why you should consider eBay dropshipping. So e-commerce in general is growing, and this is reason number 1. And I highly recommend that every single person actually find a way to actually profit and benefit from e-commerce. And one of the easiest ways, once again, is to actually start an eBay dropshipping business because the initial investment is low and the success rate is pretty decent for a business model that can be started easily online. So e-commerce has been growing by double figures over the past 5 years, and it will continue to grow by double figures every single year, at least for another 5 to 10 years. Alright, so it's in its infancy right now, and there's a lot more growth to be expected from e-commerce. And that is why I highly recommend that you get started with an eBay dropshipping business, because e-commerce is going to continue to grow and you will have a lot of opportunities to make a lot of money going forward with an eBay dropshipping business. Reason number 2 is that it can be totally automated 100% automated, and that is what makes it so great as a passive income investment once again. And what I mean by automation is that once you have your eBay dropshipping up and running, then you basically can be totally hands-off if you so desire. So there are lots of different software to help you to run and manage your eBay dropshipping business. The ones I recommend are DSM Tool, TrackerBot, and Zik Analytics to get product research and to get good products to actually list in your eBay store. Alright, so of course there has to be some human element in your eBay dropshipping business, and for that you can get virtual assistants to actually help you in that respect. And as you can see, you can totally run an eBay dropshipping business and not have to do anything for yourself physically on a given day. And that is one of the reasons why it's a great way to actually build up a business and start making passive income online. If you want to learn a lot more about how to actually do this kind of stuff, eBay dropshipping, getting virtual assistants, the course that is linked in the video description actually goes through all of this in detail for you. Alright, so once again, the third reason why you should consider starting an eBay dropshipping business is because of the investment required. So you can actually start an eBay dropshipping business with $1,000. Alright, so most people who are just getting started will have listing limits of not being able to sell more than $500 per the first month. And if you have $500, you could actually start with that. The reason why I'm saying $1,000 is because I want you to invest some money in the education, learning everything you need to know about eBay dropshipping, so you don't make some of the mistakes that I made when I was starting my eBay dropshipping business. So the initial investment can be somewhere between $500 to $1,000 to start an eBay dropshipping business. And within a year, I've seen a lot of people actually scaled their eBay dropshipping business to making $1 million in sales in 1 year. So it's quite possible to actually do that. I'm not doing that, but it's possible. I just wanted to make that clear as well. So initial investment is pretty low to start an eBay dropshipping business. The next reason why you may want to consider starting an eBay dropshipping business is that for something that you can run from anywhere you are in the world, you can make decent profit margins. So it's totally online, you run it online, and you can make anywhere between 10 and 30% profit on every single item you sell on your eBay dropshipping store. And I think that is great for something that you don't have to invest a lot of money to get started. You can make pretty decent profit margins at the end of every single month. So those are the 4 reasons why you should consider starting an eBay dropshipping business. But I'm not done yet. I want to talk to you guys about how to actually start this eBay dropshipping business, and it's very easy. Once again, I'm going to leave a video in the description so you guys can watch and see exactly how to go about setting up the eBay account and setting up your PayPal and getting started with your eBay dropshipping business. But I'm just going to go through 6 steps right now to teach you exactly what you're going to be doing when you're setting up your eBay business. So first and foremost, you're going to have to create an eBay account if you don't already have one. This is free, and if you live in the United States, for example, I highly recommend that you create a business account and just get your business going. If you live outside of the US, you may have some challenges creating a business account immediately, unless of course you're going to go through the process of actually getting an LLC, etc. But you can actually start dropshipping from a personal account, and that is free and easy to set up. So create your eBay account. You want to create your PayPal account as well. For you guys who don't have PayPal, you will need to have a PayPal account. So if PayPal is not available in your country, then of course you're going to have challenges once again getting your eBay dropshipping business going. But once you have access to eBay and access to your PayPal account, you can actually start your eBay dropshipping business. Third, you need to find items to sell. All right, so it's very important to find good quality items to sell that are going to sell fast and make you decent profit. And what I recommend is that you use a tool for this. The tool I use is called Zik Analytics. I'm going to link it in the description for you guys. You guys can test it out for free for 30 days. Actually, if you want to actually start finding good products to sell in your eBay dropshipping store. So that is also very important, finding good quality products to sell. The 4th reason, or the 4th step, is to actually use necessary software to help you to automate your eBay dropshipping business. Once again, I use a DSM tool to help me to automate my eBay dropshipping business, and it does approximately 85% of the work for you when you're running your eBay business. There are some other tools that are very handy as well and very important, such as TrackerBot and some other tools that I'm going to be linking in the description for you guys. The fifth thing is that, of course, you have to hire your virtual assistant to help you to bring the human element in places where there is no tool to really automate. So let's say, for example, you wanted to do customer service. You're going to have someone to do that and to fulfill orders, etc. So that is where a virtual assistant comes into play. And you can hire a virtual assistant for like $2-3 per hour and have them work for a few hours per day. And you can find virtual assistants on different websites. You can go to Fiverr, you could go to Upwork and find virtual assistants for your business to help you to run your eBay dropshipping business. Number 6 is that you should grow your store, scale your store. So you should always be listing and pruning, removing items that are not selling, etc. To scale your store and to start making passive income. And once you have some really good selling products in your store, it's automated. All right. So your virtual assistant will be helping you out to fulfill orders. And from that, you'll be earning passive income from your eBay dropshipping business. So there you have it, guys. That is how you go about starting an eBay dropshipping business to start making passive income for yourself in 2019. So I really do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know by dropping a like on this video. If you have any questions or if you just want to say thank you, leave them in the comments. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm always putting out some great quality content to teach you exactly how to build a business on the internet. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.